Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our project Cuisine, What People Eat Around the World, Part 5. So in last 4 parts, we have learned many things about different types of cuisines, cooking methods, different meals of the day, spices, herbs, etc. In this video, we will learn what is a blog and we will write a blog based on our project Cuisine. What is a blog? A blog originally came from the word weblog or vblog. A blog is writing or blogging in one's thoughts, ideas, experiences and more, all in one place on the web. A blogger is someone who writes content for a blog. Blogging is the act of writing a post for a blog. What makes a blog so great? We can get all ideas, thoughts, opinions, anything at one place. In this project, we are going to write a paper blog based on the theme of our project, that is cuisine. We will be writing blogs on different Indian regional cuisines and one blog on any other country's cuisine. Okay, now let us have a look at the structure of a blog. Let us assume that this is the paper on which you are writing a blog. First of all, we will give a border. We will draw a border. We will give some design and decorate the border of the blog. Then we will write the header, the heading of the blog, the topic of your blog, the title. And then over here we will write the main content, the details of your blog. Blog writing. Now let us have a look at the things that you should include when you are writing a blog based on our project Cuisine. First of all, make sure you are precise and to the point when you write a blog. Things you need to include in your blogs are overview of the state, country, then the staple food information of that state or a country, information on variety of cuisines of that region, speciality of that region, one food dish and one sweet dish, recipe of any one of the speciality. You can be decorative and be creative while writing this blog. Now let us have a look at different Indian regions. The part in yellow is North Indian region. The blue one is Western Indian region. The green one is South Indian region. And the red and the purple is the East Indian region. Today we will write a blog on Western Indian cuisine, any one state of West India. List of Western Indian states are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Goa and Maharashtra. I will give you one example of a blog for the state of Gujarat. So today we are going to write a blog on Western Indian cuisine. Okay, the part colored in blue. I will show you an example for the state of Gujarat. Similarly, you can choose any one state which is in West India and you need to write a blog based on that state. Now let us have a look at the blog which I have written for the state of Gujarat. This is the heading or the title for my blog. Cuisine Culture of Gujarat. And this is the blog. Let us have a look. Gujarat is a state on western coast of India. In this state, all major festivals of India are celebrated. The state is popular for Navratras and Garba. People in Gujarat are usually called as Gujaratis. Most of the Gujaratis are vegetarians. There is an intensive use of jaggery, vegetables and grains in their diet. Staple food of Gujarat is rotis prepared from bajra, millets and flour. Gujarati cuisine is one of the oldest culinary treasures of India and is primarily vegetarian. It offers a wide variety of vegetarian dishes, each with its unique cooking style, different kinds of pickles, farsans, chutneys, and food that are always high on nutritional value. But in real essence of Gujarati food lies in the creative use of everyday vegetables and mild spices. Few famous Gujarati cuisines are Khandvi, Gujarati Kadi, Mohanthal, Undiyu, Shrikhand, Gujarati Khichdi, Dhokla, Methi ka thepla, Dal Dhokli, Fafda, Patra, Handvo, Khakra, etc. Out of these, Dal Dhokli and Mohanthal are the specialities of Gujarat. Okay, so this is the blog which I have written on the state of Gujarat, the cuisine culture of Gujarat. And now, this is the recipe of one of the specialities, that is Mohanthal. So you remember the format or the way we write a recipe? First we will write the ingredients, okay, the name of the dish, then ingredients, what all things are needed to make this dish, and the method. How do you make this dish? Method or the steps to make this food dish. And also you should include the total time you will take to prepare this dish and how many serves it will give. Okay. So now let's do a quick recap on blog writing. Make sure you are precise and to the point when you write a blog. Things you need to include in your blogs are overview of the state or the country, staple food information, information on variety of cuisines of that region, speciality of that region, one food dish and one sweet dish, recipe of any one of the speciality. You can be decorative and creative while writing this blog. Also remember the blog structure. Write the blog in the given structure. Thank you so much for watching this video and you all have a good day. Bye bye.